Welcome to our channel. We're truly happy to share simple yet powerful ways to improve your health and help your body feel lighter, cleaner, and stronger every day. Today, we're talking about something very simple, something cheap, something you see almost every day, but something your body deeply needs. Cabbage. At first glance, it may seem ordinary, just another vegetable, nothing special. But inside cabbage lies a powerful cleansing effect that can transform your body from within. Have you ever felt heavy, bloated, uncomfortable in your own body? That feeling doesn't just come from food. It often comes from your gut. Your digestive system plays a huge role in how you feel. And when your gut is not clean, not balanced, everything starts to slow down. This is where cabbage begins its quiet work. Rich in fiber and natural compounds, cabbage helps clean your digestive system. It supports your gut in removing waste, toxins, and buildup that your body no longer needs. It doesn't shock your system. It gently resets it. And when your gut becomes cleaner, something amazing happens. Your stomach feels lighter. Bloating begins to disappear. Your body starts to feel free again. And then comes what many people are looking for: a flatter stomach. Cabbage is low in calories but high in volume, meaning you can eat more while consuming less. It fills you up, reduces cravings, and supports natural weight loss without stress. No extreme diets. No suffering. Just simple, natural balance. But cabbage doesn't stop there. It's rich in vitamins like C and K, supporting your immune system and helping your body stay strong. It also contains antioxidants that protect your cells and support long-term health. And over time, you don't just look better. You feel better. Cleaner, lighter, more in control. All from something so simple. Just add cabbage to your daily meals, salads, soups, or light dishes, and let your body begin its natural reset. Because sometimes, the best way to change your life is to clean your body from within. Thank you for watching and choosing a healthier path with us. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. It truly helps us continue creating valuable content for you. And remember, your health is your greatest wealth. We look forward to seeing you again in our next video. Stay light, stay clean, and take care.